Today up on the lift, we've got a 63 Impala, beautiful car. However, the underside looks pretty crusty. You can see some of the original red oxide primer. So we're gonna be going through and blowing off some of this nasty undercoating so we can go ahead and refinish it. Check this out. So this is the engine bay. This is where the trans tunnel will be. And look at this stuff is, like you can't even pick that off. Right, so there's no way that you're gonna pressure wash that. There's no way that you're gonna scrape that even. However, when you dry ice it,